Hi guys, today we will talk about how to play games on your Messenger app. We will go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Messenger app. All you have to do, you just choose here any shots you want to choose. We will click here on the shots for example. Then it's going to take us here in these shots, and you just click here on this, in this mark here. Then it's going to show for you window like this. You click here on play games and it's going to show for you here games, and you just click here on any games you want to play, and it's going to show for you like this, and you just waiting and it's going to show for you, and here you can play this game on your messenger app like this. So here you can so you can play game here in your messenger app. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.